Hi, boys and girls, Mr. Warholic here. Just a quick little video here to remind you about what we're supposed to do. In first grade right now, we have moved into solving addition word problems. Our totals will be 20 or less. When we are showing our work in first grade, when we're solving math problems, in first grade, we have to show our work in two different ways. We have to use two different strategies. You cannot get a level 3 on a standard, even if you arrive at the right answer without showing your work. So I have this problem here. It says there are 10 kids at the park. 4 more come. How many kids are at the park now? So I'm going to look at my story problem and I'm going to say, oh, there are 10 kids, 4 more come. How many are there all at the park now? That tells me I need to do addition. So I'm going to quickly write down a number sentence or an equation. 10 kids are at the park plus 4 more come. That equals an unknown number. We don't know the total yet. Now I have to solve it two different ways to prove my thinking. It's also helping me build the habit of checking my work to make sure I have the right answer. The first way is the counting all strategy. And to do the counting all strategy, I look at my first add-in or partner and I draw that in circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I always double count to make sure I'm correct. Then I draw a break apart stick. This helps me see that there are two numbers coming together to make the larger number. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and then when I'm done, I come back and I count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, so that means 10 plus 4 is 14. But I'm not done yet. I have to solve it a different way. Now I need to do the counting on strategy. And this time, I'm going to look at my equation up here again. I'm going to look at the two add-ins, and I'm going to pick the biggest number. I know 10 is the bigger number because it takes longer to count to 10 than it does to 4. So I'm just going to write the number 10 right here. And then I'm going to make my break apart stick again. And now I'm going to look at the smaller add-in and draw the 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I can come back to 10 and count on. So I can go 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Oh, my answer is right. I got 14 a second time. So again, to do this and to get a level 3 for solving an addition problem, you have to use two strategies to prove your work and show your thinking. The first strategy we've learned so far is called counting all. You just make circles. So like the first add-in is 10. I draw 10 circles. I draw this break apart stick. Then I look at the second add-in and draw that many circles. And then I go back and count them all together. I can see that 10 combined with 4 make 14. The second strategy is called counting on. I look and decide which of the two add-ins or partners is the biggest, and I write that number down. Then I draw my break apart stick, and then I draw 4 circles to represent the smaller number, and I count on. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I got 14 both times in both strategies, so I know I arrived at the right answer. This is what you have to do when you have a story problem in first grade if you want to get your level 3, which you are all capable of doing. Please remember to use the two strategies. If you have any questions, come to office hours so we can talk about it some more.